Welcome to Science Online Class. Class 5. Subject Science. Unit 2. Topic Matter and Materials. In last class, we learned about fiber. Now I ask question about that. Are you ready to say the answer? Okay. What is fiber? Fiber is a thin thread of natural and artificial substances. Name some synthetic fiber. Okay. Answer: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Good. Third one, where do we get jute? Answer: we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Fourth one, what are the two important processes used for making fabric from the yarn? Answer: weaving and knitting. Good. Okay. Okay, cuties. Now we are going to learn about today's topic. Are you ready? Okay, where do we get food? Yes, we get food from plants. What kind of food we get from plants? Good. Fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, greens, etc. Okay, look at the picture carefully. You say, where do we get energy for doing these types of activities? Yes, they get energy from fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, etc. Good. Now we all learn about grains. Cuties, do you know grains? Okay, let's see about that. Are you ready? Grain is a small, hard, dry seed. Each grain is protected by a husk, and the husk encloses the seed. Two main types of commercial grain crops are cereals and legumes. Now I ask question about that. How many types of commercial grains? Two types, cereals and legumes. Okay, good. Cuties, say some whole grains. Do you know that? Yes. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millet are some of the whole grains. Very good. Okay, dears, let's see about whole grains. Are you ready to listen? Okay, cuties, do you like chapati and puri? Yes, we prepare chapati and puri from wheat flour. Now we learn about wheat. This is the most important crop in the world. Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ and cracked wheat. Okay, now I ask question. Okay, which is the most important crop in the world? Yes, wheat. Very good. What are the nutrients present in the wheat? Yes, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Good. Next, we see about maize. In many tropical and subtropical countries like Mexico, America. Mice is the main food that people eat. It is also known as corn. Mice is also made into oil for cooking. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. It is also rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used as a sweetener instead of sugar in many products. Mice products are sweet corn, breakfast cereal, tortilla chips, taco and maize oil. Okay? Now I ask questions about that. Are you ready? What is the another name of mice? Mice is also known as corn. Good. Say some mice products. Sweet corn, breakfast cereal, maize oil, tortilla chips and taco. Very good. Next, we see about rice. Which is our staple food? Rice. Most in South India, rice is only a staple food. Good. Rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large parts of the world's human population, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. 90% of the world's rice production is in Asia. White rice contains few essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. Brown rice is usually considered much healthier than white rice. Idli, idiyappam and rice aval are the food items made from rice. Okay, now I ask question. Which rice contains essential nutrients? White rice. Next, which rice contains the fibrous bran? Yes, brown rice. Good. Say some food items made by rice. White rice, idli, dosa and idiyappam, etc. Good. Now we see millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. They are widely grown around the world as cereal crops for fodder and human food. It helps in weight loss. It is rich in fiber. Some of the millet products as sorghum, foxtail millet, finger millet, pearl millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet and little millet. Okay, now I ask question. First one. Which grains are used to reduce weight loss? Answer, millet. Second one. Which nutrients are present in millet? Answer, fiber. Very good. Now we learn about household goods. These are the products that we use in our house permanently. The goods that are found in a house permanently are called household goods. Household goods are furniture, kitchenware, clothes, towels, beddings, boots and electronic goods. Okay, now I ask question. Name some household things used in modern days. Washing machine, electric stove, fridge, TV. What is called household goods? The goods that are found in house permanently are called household goods. Good. Assignment. Name some types of grains. Second one, name some household things used in olden days. Third one, write about any two types of grains. Thank you, dears.